Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's been a long time since I uploaded any video on this channel. It might be more than a year. So finally I'm back. So in this video we'll predict about 2025 Royal Rumble matches winners, like who's going to win their respective matches. So let's start the video. So we are starting off with WWE Tag Team Championship match between DIY versus Motor City Machine Gun. It will be 2 out of 3 falls match. I think the winner of this match is going to be DIY. It's going to be amazing. You know, athletes in both teams are amazing. They are athletically gifted. So I think it will be banger. It will be match of the night. So my prediction for the winner of this match is DIY. So let's move on to the WWE Women's Royal Rumble match. I think it will be epic match. There's going to be lot of surprise returns. I think Becky Lynch, Charlotte Flair and Bianca Belair are going to make their returns in this match. I think there will be lot of surprise in this match. So my prediction for winner of this match is either it's going to be Charlotte Flair or Becky Lynch, or it might be Bianca Belair or might be Rhea Ripley. But as of now, I think it's going to be between Becky Lynch or Charlotte for 50-50% for them. One of them is going to win this match. I think you see that both Becky Lynch and Charlotte Flair have been out for a long time. If they are going to make their return, WWE must be planning something huge for them at WrestleMania. So I think either or one of them is going to win. But I think it will be really amazing match. There are going to be a lot of surprises. So I'm really excited for this match. Let's move to the WWE Undisputed match between Kevin Owens and Cody Rhodes. It's going to be later match. I think it will be epic match since Cody Rhodes has become champion. He has been constantly delivering a banger after banger. So there will be no doubt about quality of this match. It's going to be amazing match. So as far the result is concerned, I think there might be some surprise in this match too. I think there's going to be a little bit surprised regarding. I think someone might post Cody Rhodes this match to set up the feud between him and Cody at WrestleMania, or either someone is going to interfere in this match. But whatever, so I think my prediction is that Cody Rhodes is going to retain this title. If by chance someone interrupt him, I don't think that Cody is losing against Kevin Owens. If it was Randy in this match, I might have thought that Randy is going to post him this match or he is going to win this title. But as of now, I think there will be surprise in this match, but I think Cody is going to win. Let's talk about the most anticipated match of the year, Men's Royal Rumble. I think it's hard to predict who's going to win this Rumble. I'm also confused, like who's going to win. John Cena is in this match, CM Punk is there, Roman Reigns is also part of this match, Drew McIntyre, Seth Rollins, Randy Orton. Also, there's going to be a lot of surprises. So it's really hard to predict who's going to win this match. Also, there were huge rumors that Brock Lesnar will be part of this match, but let me tell you one thing, that he's not going to be part of this Royal Rumble, and his chapter in WWE closed. So in morning I got a news that the lawsuit which was against Vince McMahon and Brock Lesnar was also part of an investigation. So the accused are also accused him of the lot of things. So he's going to be not there, and I think his career in WWE is basically over. So let's move to the match. I think it's very hard to predict who's going to win, but as of now I can say it's either going to be John Cena. As you all know, this is going to be last WrestleMania, so WWE might be planning something big for him. I think he might going to win his 17th title WrestleMania. So there's a lot of chances that Cena is going to win this Rumble. Also, as you know, CM Punk has also been giving loads of spoilers that he's going to win. So it will be amazing match. Also, you know, Roman Reigns, the tribal chief, is also in this match. WWE might give him a rematch against Cody Rhodes at WrestleMania. So there's a chance that he might gonna win this match. So my final four would be Rollins, Roman, Punk and Cena. These going to be the final four at the Rumble. I think we're gonna see the setup of lots of feud in this match. I think there's gonna be a lot of surprises. I think Show Speed will be also show up in this match. He posted on Instagram, and John Cena also posted a few other pics. This might be a hint that he will be also in this match. Logan Paul is also there. So there's gonna be a lot of surprises. Randy Orton will be in the match. So it's really hard to predict who's gonna win. But I think as of now, if you ask me, I think more of chances are of John Cena winning this Rumble. You know, it's going to be last WrestleMania. WWE might give him win, so it's going to be amazing storyline. Like who's going to face him at WrestleMania, who he's going to choose. But as of now, I think 70% Cena, 20% Punk, and 10% Roman. So these are my winners. So it will be really amazing moment if Cena wins. As a big Cena fan, I have been following WWE since 2007, so I'm a huge Cena fan. When I started watching WWE, Cena was a top guy. Since last 6 years, he has been like putting over the new talents. He is barely winning. So it will be like my inner child will be healed if Cena wins this match. but there's a lot of chances that WWE might to put his narrative, might going to pull this story never give up storyline, so they might give Cena a winner at Elimination Chamber, but this is also possible. But I think he should win Rumble. He deserves it. So it will be also tied with Stone Cold for the record of the most Royal Rumble wins. So if he is retiring this year, I will want him to have one more record. So winner for this match is very hard to predict. So my three predict winner for this match is either Roman, Cena, or Punk. Three of them is win this match.